Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of restaurant technology, specifically the question on everyone's mind. Is TouchBistro planning an initial public offering or IPO? For those unfamiliar, TouchBistro is a major player in the restaurant management software game. They offer an all-in-one platform that tackles everything from point-of-sale systems to inventory management, online ordering, and even marketing tools. Basically, they help restaurants run smoother, happier, and hopefully, more profitable businesses. Now, the restaurant industry is a massive market, and technology is playing an increasingly important role. So, it's no surprise that companies like TouchBistro are attracting a lot of attention. But with that attention comes a question. When will they take the leap and go public? IPO aspirations. Let's get the juicy stuff out of the way first. There are strong indications that TouchBistro is indeed eyeing an IPO. In November 2022, they closed a hefty $150 million funding round. Now, funding rounds aren't always a direct path to going public, but the size and structure of this one were telling. It included not just equity, but also structured debt, which can be a sign that a company is preparing for the financial scrutiny of public markets. Even more interesting, TouchBistro's CEO, Samir Zabana, himself hinted at an IPO during interviews about the funding. He spoke about using the money to accelerate the company's growth initiatives and take the company to the next level. That next level? It sure sounds a lot like a public listing. The toast factor. But here's the thing. TouchBistro isn't operating in a vacuum. They have a major competitor, Toast, another restaurant management software company that went public in September 2021. Toast's IPO was a success, and it's likely serving as a blueprint for TouchBistro. Here's why this matters. Toast's public performance can influence investor confidence in TouchBistro. If Toast continues to thrive, it could pave the way for a smooth IPO for TouchBistro. However, if Toast stumbles, it might make investors more cautious about similar companies. Challenges and considerations. Of course, the road to IPO isn't always smooth. The restaurant industry itself faces ongoing challenges like labor shortages and inflation. These factors can impact TouchBistro's customer base and overall growth. Additionally, the broader tech market can be fickle. If there's a downturn, it could make investors less receptive to new IPOs, especially in a competitive space like restaurant tech. So when will we know? Unfortunately, there's no crystal ball here. TouchBistro hasn't officially announced any IPO plans. But based on their recent funding, CEO comments, and the overall market trends, it seems like an IPO is a distinct possibility. Could be in the next year or two, but it's also possible they might take a longer route to public markets. What does this mean for you? Whether you're a restaurant owner, a tech investor, or simply curious about the future of restaurant management, TouchBistro's potential IPO is worth keeping an eye on. A successful IPO could be a major boost for the company and the restaurant tech industry as a whole. Stay tuned. We'll be sure to keep you updated on any developments. In the meantime, let us know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on TouchBistro's potential IPO? Do you think it's a wise move? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.